outside. We really active with it. What's going on, vlog? We outside. Bro, what's up, Jason?
Yeah, this one's a little project, so I can show you this one.
Outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you get Alex sweat over this shit, bro.
You can jump in, Alex.
Dude. What year is this?
2014.
Bro,
it's a little dirty, but
how much was it? So hard.
I got it from
Weird. I'm trying to get one of these too. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's got a little. No, it's got a short shifter.
Short shifter? I'm like, nah.
Right? You're like, what the fuck?
Yeah, that's so hard. Oh my. Get it for? Damn.
Yeah. Yeah.
What does this look like? That shit I'll drive or what?
Yeah.
I can see you. This shit, mom.
Do you drive sick?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, you gonna try it out?
Okay.
What?
Oh, okay.
Oh, jeez, Ray.
Too?
Huh?
Is it lowered too?
I don't know. That's what I was thinking. It seems kind of low. It's full bolt-ons.
No way.
Yeah.
No.
It's got an intake and exhaust. I just found out today. And it's got a catalyst downpipe.
That's fucking great, bro. That's legendary.
It's
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm gonna show you this until they're gonna like, oh.
Bro, this is super hard.
Okay, I got the yacht.
I was just telling Alex, bro, I was like, bro, we about to have the TT posted up outside the crib. And I see a white car and I was like, no way, this was just cut in the car.
Should give him the camera.
Yeah. You should have, huh?
Yeah.
Oh God, you should have. Get that fucking TT.
You make it 1,000 plus?
You have to, bro, because if not, then what is he doing? Get with the program, bro. Or get left, bro. Damn.
The beast, le beast.
And I'm getting left. Shit. That's crazy, bro. Fuck. Did you see Angel? Where did you come? This way?
Yeah, the entrance is different now.
Oh, they did?
Oh,
They changed it or what?
I used to come in through that end.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, back last year.
I forgot it was over there. Yeah.
Yeah, now it's over here.
Yeah, that was changing this shit.
Oh, yo.
Oh, we back.
What's up?
Part two.
We just pulled over in an S4. Alright, brother.
We're behind you in the Honda.
Put the seat forward. That's your hella baby. You should put the seat forward a little.
Oh, my bad.
You good?
Jason got cooked right. You good?
You good. Right there.
Hey, this windows come down?
Yeah, this child's locked.
My bad, I locked him.
Regular Audi shit. I hate how these windows.
Got a heat exchanger too, so.
You know how much
Jason jacket with
Beauty!
Higher fives. That's hard, nigga. Cause it
Have you
doesn't.
raced Pedro yet?
Yeah.
You got them?
Yeah.
Really hard.
Yeah.
He was trapped in what?
Yeah, he was like, it's because I didn't switch gears, bro. I didn't drop a gear.
I dropped out of first all the way.
Yeah, I was
That
like,
shit's heavier than this shit, bro.
I was like, well, you're also a lot heavier.
Oh.
And we're
We
both
outside.
exterior color though.
Yeah.
Yo, we outside.
Do a
here,
quick
what
one
the
right
fuck
here.
going on?
Big outside.
I might spin though.
Oh. Hey, that just goes healthy as fuck. That's what 4 people in the car too. Shit.
Your bank counts out 2 though.
Fuck you, bitch. You're gonna have to bleep that out the camera.
Keep it in the seat.
Keep it in the scene,
Have you ran anything?
How about what?
Like race anybody?
Yeah, hella.
Yeah.
I have videos. I race like what did that 300 have?
It was SRT8.
That's right.
Oh, it's like
Yeah, on
You're
the 40
next,
roll.
nigga. Jason,
Oh,
you're next.
you got me, dude. This is what pretty much these two, huh?
This shit goes for a full car, nigga. I ain't even gonna cap.
Yeah, it does.
Fuck.
I was surprised too, but when it's just me or just me and someone else.
It just fucking flies.
It's crazy. The launch is even.
I'll be the fastest one in banking on 2K. I was like, bro, I was like, and I just fucked it. I just pulled it. That shit, I don't that's just down the street. No, nigga. He's like, did I answer? I was like, yeah. I was like, it's kind of nice because it's be racing it out.
That thing feels super nice.
Yeah.
Let my
Super smooth,
just
dude.
go.
Uh-huh.
Right here, just keep it under the fucking right here.
Bro.
What's up, bro? Okay. Was that spinning? Shit pulls. Them brakes, man, them brakes.
These shits had Ricardo in the back like the old ones, fool.
Oh yeah.
Like the old ass ones.
This one's more reliable, I think.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be, yeah.
That was Jose with some female. Yeah.
La fue a pasear al parque.
A dominguear.
Yeah.
¿O no?
Yes.
Fue a pasar el perrito.
Do you ever use manual?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it feel fast? It's probably faster manual, no? Or no?
Probably. I feel like it's the same.
It's
My
the
paddles
same?
are really responsive. So I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It is a little quicker.
Just because I'm on mine, my tune, it won't let me do launch control
In manual, it won't.
in sport, but in manual it will, which is weird.
That's weird because mine's the opposite.
Yours the opposite?
Yeah, in manual, it won't let me do launch control.
Oh, what the hell? Yeah, I kept trying to put it in sport, dynamic, everything, and it wouldn't let me do it. As soon as I switched it to manual, it fucking, well, I don't know if it just, that's probably like your tuners, I mean.
Yeah, because you have RS mode too, no?
No, mine just has comfort, auto, and dynamic.
I just got dude.
Comfort, auto, dynamic, and
You heard the I'm down back here?
Yeah, so mine's like,
The what?
The I'm down?
Where you guys go?
For real, I'm trying to make it back home in one piece.
we're at Seattle?
In Portland.
Portland?
Yeah.
Let's go.
As in, this is tomorrow though.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow what time? Night?
It starts like at 4. It ends at like 7:30.
For afternoon, 7:30 at night?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm down. That's easy.
Actually?
But we dip right now.
You dip right now?
We might go right
We
now.
dip right now. All of us dip right now.
Alright, you guys. So we're taking a trip to Portland, the GMC truck.
Shit up. Charlie's gonna explode.
Everything's gonna be paid for good. Let's go.
Expenses all paid for.
Expenses paid by Jason.
No, my man.
It's covered under the YouTube tab.
Yeah,
Under the YouTube tab.
You know, hey, we all going that.
Oh, yeah.
Nigga.
Homie holler. And that has a...
We're all dipping in the GMC though,
Let's
right?
go.
For real.
We all rolling the GMC.
That shit now belongs to a fucking Kirk County.
That nigga would be down.
Nigga getting turned on. Let's go. Let's go. No, that nigga just said that. Let's all go on my whip.
What happened to your charger?
No, that's just in the fucking sheriff station. We're gonna go heist that shit out.
That shit now belongs to the Kirk County Sheriff's Office.
Quick GTA.
No, it's not the Shoes County Sheriff's
This shit's
Office.
gonna.
Hey,
Fucking Highway 97.
if that shit starts chasing you,
baby.
if that shit starts chasing you, watch out. That shit ain't us no more.
People chase me. They saw the tail light.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots to the face, lost in the break, I'm seeing straight, never stop, chained on the strong, and I've got something to say.